Myntri Rangbah Jylla ukonrat ke Samla hene kesngi ulawan ban Plie Paidbah ya ke Meghalaya Model Residential School kabadon Shillong Pahamsyiem balas dangru ya ke jing penong kelas academic session ya ki kena ki bawan pulih ke Skul ba. Hakini kejuk kesngi na lor kejing Plie Paidbah ya ke Skul Myntri Rangbah ulawan ban bu mau nongrim na kebenta ban sedang no ya kejing tei ya ke synthetic athletes track kaban satay hamadan jong kasnong cinchona Pahamsyiem bada kejuk Khubor ulabu ru yu mau nongrim na kabenta kejing tei ya ke convention center bantai da ke sorkar hakasnong Pahamsyiem. Hakini kesengi kerpang la saki langru da kejing don lang Myntri ketanat puli puthi uba la kemen rumboy Myntri ketanat badai pet ya ke kamile kai uba wailat miki Jylla Myntri ketanat badai pet ya ketanat sin adi uba sostene sotun wemele kanong po ba mirbon sim MDC kanong po ke kongrona kemden Deputy Commissioner Keriboy Abhilash Baranwal lem bakiwe-kiwe ki he officer sorkar. Lapan po penping ru akan ikasngi degi jing syat bat jing ruai balai shimenta degi kena skul ke Meghalaya Model Residential School ke Skul Alpha bat kinoy lam shnong kilong kimi long pa bat ki kun Samla. Habakren akan ikasngi kumukong san Myntri Rangbah Jylla konrat ke sangmau loong begini ki aka baro ki degi jing angnut bakum ke sorkar ke kwa ban kentiu hapok Jylla kamtam habede bagi kamile kai ke puli puti bat kiwe-kiwe. Uloong ru bagani ke sorkar, kamdei ke sorkar ke bakren tang daga ketin, henry ke pet ru iki jing ep ki jing don kam jing ki Paidbah, bat ke penpoi ru iki jing don kam jing ki. Ukon rat sang mau loong ru, baka jing yok ban Plie kini ke Skul Meghalaya Model Residential School ha Pahamsyiem, ke deiru ke baningkong Jylla, bat kan long shisha ke jing mentoy na ke bentai ki long ying, ki bakwa ban pak puli ki kun ki keti jing ki. Bat uloong ru, ke malayok ban bu mau nong rim, ya ke synthetic athletes track, bat ya ke convention center satang kat nu ki kun Samla juga ni kethan kin sayok ban pendon kam ban yele ka ya kini ke madan bat ban pendon kam ya ke convention center namar ba kini ke sorkar kam kut tang ha ka babu mau nongrim henry kada pendap ya ke aka ke balas dang.
Organizing the start of a significant project that will enhance education.
So one week. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
The foundation for the synthetic athletic track. This again is a commitment that was made by us just a few months back. And it's heartening and satisfying to see that we are here laying the foundation for this particular synthetic athletic track. Friends, for us as a government, we have always stressed on ensuring that there is all-round development of our state. We don't believe in selective development. We don't believe that just because somebody didn't vote for me in my election, didn't vote for my party, that I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because a particular region is not my community, not my tribe, that I will start to neglect them. We don't believe that just because our faiths are different, that we will not give you the development that you deserve. During election time, yes, we have our own political parties. Because as candidate, we are working towards the people who are supporting us. But when you become Chief Minister, then you are Chief Minister for those who voted for you and Chief Minister for those who did not vote for you. You are Chief Minister of your people, your tribe, your community, and of every single person who is living in our state of Meghalaya. And therefore, if you look at our models. We have projects going on everywhere. And I find it very amusing sometimes. Today I have inaugurated this building and inaugurated the classrooms, and I'm laying the foundation of the synthetic athletic track right here in Nongpo. I won't be surprised when somebody will comment from Garo Hills and say, oh, everything is going to Khasi Hills and nothing is coming to Garo Hills. And tomorrow when I go and lay a foundation stone in Garo Hills, then somebody from Khasi Hills will comment, oh, everything is going to Garo Hills and nothing is coming to Khasi Hills. Friends, we need to stop this divisive thought process and this divisive politics that is very, very toxic for our state. We are working for everyone. And I have made it very clear, not just through my words. I have never spoken like this. Only now I am talking in these lines. Yesterday I was with Shillong, and you know he's a very direct speaker. So he was mentioning in his speech that our government believes in action and not in talking. But I feel sometimes we need to talk also, because we are too quiet sometimes. And therefore, friends, I urge, especially our youngsters, whether there is a project that comes up in Garo Hills, in Nongpo, in Nongstoin, in Williamnagar, in Klariat, it is our people, our state that is being developed. We are benefiting. Our youngsters are benefiting. We should be proud and we should be happy. I would love to see comments that should come from Garo Hills today that should say, we feel happy for our youngsters from Nongpo area, from Ribhoy, for the academic session that has started, for the synthetic athletic track that we have laid down. And that is the kind of positivity that we'd like to see. And friends, we are not a government that believes only in foundation stone laying. Inauguration has been done. We have started the academic session today of the Emrs. It's not a foundation stone. But while we're inaugurating the academic session, we are laying a foundation stone for the synthetic track also, which also I'll assure you that we will inaugurate. We laid the foundation for the Maukunu 40,000 seater, largest football stadium in the country. The work for this has started today. Do we have a picture of that? Can you just put that picture up? I just want to show you some pictures.
A big round of applause. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir.